Hello and welcome to the Busybug Homestead. So this is going to be a real quick video today because I have decided to join the Single Seed Challenge for 2022. It is a challenge started by Scott over at the Black Gumbo Sothern Gardening. And for my challenge seed, because the entire point of the Single Seed Challenge is to grow just one seed and get it from starting the seed all the way up to fruiting if you're choosing a fruiting, or flowering if you're choosing a flower. My seed I'm going to choose is actually going to be from this free seed packet that I received from Plant World Seed. They sent me this mix and it just says tomato and it's a bunch of different tomatoes. So I'm going to pick my single seed and I'm going to have no idea which one of these tomatoes I'm going to end up with until it fruits, which I'm kind of excited by. The hashtag that everybody is using for this challenge is hashtag Single Seed Challenge 2022. I will put it right here. I'm going to take one seed, I'm going to plant it in the soil. We're going to hope we get something that's not a monstrosity of a tomato plant, because I do plan on putting this in a container. And we're just going to nurture that one tomato seed until we get fruit. And then I'll probably try and save the seeds and try using them again next year. So thank you so much for popping in to see what I'm going to be doing for the Single Seed Challenge this year. And thank you so much to Scott for creating the Single Seed Challenge. And I look forward to trying it and bringing you all along with me on my journey. We'll see you next time. Bye.